All right, I'm at Lowe's, and this is the inventory for seeds and bulbs. They've got a good variety of bare trees right now. Great time to plant them late winter here. Zone 8A. This is a crab apple. There's the Eastern Redbud, one of my favorites. And several dogwood, pink flowering dogwood, white dogwood. That's a weeping snow fountain cherry, Kwanzaa flowering cherry as well. Really good time to plant trees in late winter, as long as you can dig in the ground, your ground's not frozen. You do have some shade trees, pin oaks as well, and some red maples. These are pretty small. That's a bald cypress. Little gem magnolia, which is a smaller variety of the southern magnolia. That one gets to be about 20 foot tall. These are seed potatoes. Kennebec mix. Red Norland, russet Burbank. Sweet potatoes. Have mixed onion, Stuttgarter onion, asparagus, rhubarb, snowball onion, 90. The asparagus is Mary Washington. Then they have soft neck garlic. Then in bare root plants, that's seedless grapes, various kinds. Blueberry, and Jersey, which I'm not sure if that's probably a northern high bush. I'm not really sure. Hardy fig, strawberry, blackberry, raspberry. Then we have Nico blue hydrangea, pink beauty, lilac. All these are bare root. And then jumbo elephant ears. And let's see what these are. These are $14.98. One bulb. Over here to the flower bulbs. This is the dahlia inventory this year. 2 bulbs, Mystery Day, $9.98. They have a mix with 3 bulbs for $9.98. And then they have the dahlia rainbow mix, 3 bulbs for $9.98. This is almost all dahlia for the first half of this tower. They have Kelvin floodlight, color spectacle. All these are 2 bulbs, $9.98. Lady Darlene, that's a nice one. Haven't seen that one here before. Tyler James Molina, grew that last year. 2 bulbs, $9.98. Asiatic lilies. We've grown duet, that did well for us. Garden Wonder, Kelsey and Joy, I like that a lot. That's an open, that's gonna attract a lot of pollinators because it has that open flower. Mirror Star, we grew that last year. That did well. And then again, more Asiatic lilies, gladiolas. Liatris, which is a native, that's a butterfly and bee magnet. 40 bulbs for $9.98. Really highly recommend that one. Introduce some more natives to your garden. Oriental lilies, these are bulk packs as well, 20 bulbs per pack. Then they have the peonies, which are, those are mixed. They're a sorbet mixed, 5 bulbs for $19.98.